Yes, I do work as a program executive at NASA headquarters here in Washington, D.C. And at the beginning of the program, I was a program executive, junior type of staff officer, and assigned to the Human Exploration Mission Directorate, which has to do with return to the moon and to Mars and things like that. So over the course of time, I realized that I was one of these people that needed to update their skills. I did have a PhD, but that PhD was 20 years old. And so consequently, the idea of being able to be effective in the job moved on. And so I quickly looked around and found that the MSBA program had absolutely everything I could possibly want out of a quick and local and program of global reach and recognition. I had learned about Excel over the years, and that was about it. But when you look at what we were doing, we quickly had to assimilate things in SQL. In other words, the ability to link a small data set, model it, and translate it to a far more massive set. Python, the ability to accurately develop models that could reflect a larger data set for which we could make decisions on. Google Analytics, key thing, knowing how Google Analytics, the engine works and the tools available, the applications that flow from that, an excellent source. Script R and other little tiny powerful software programs that were essential to really demonstrating how different directories could be assimilated and displayed in seconds. The support of the faculty was incredible, and we had some of the world-class names that were dedicated to MSBA, and still to this day are here for us to take advantage of, both with Darden and McIntire from the statistical analysis world. They were essential, and they were always accessible and so incredible. They made a huge difference.